Hi, it's Peter again. Just wanted to create a new video to show off the wake functions that I have now in EVA. Just as a heads up, this is only going to show this particular feature. If you want to see a lot of the other features in EVA, you should click on the Aussie Guy 1 button there on YouTube and go to my channel and look at there's about 10 other videos that you can watch there. If you look on the top notification bar, you see Eva's icon running there. That means that she's listening, and I can use the wake up phrase that I've set for her along with a command, or I can just use certain direct commands to open other applications. So anyway, I'll just give you a demo and we'll show you how it works. Open Gmail.
Opening Gmail.
See, she opened that up and she'll be listening again in a second. Open Facebook.
Opening Facebook.
So you see she's there when I need her, and I'll show you in a second. Open some music. Open Pandora.
Opening music.
Okay. Open Pandora.
Opening Pandora.
Now you'll see once the music starts playing, she'll just disappear for a while until the music stops, and then she'll be back again. So I'll just show you this.
My song is love. Love to the loveless shore.
Okay, so you can see her icon just disappeared. So now if I pause the music, you'll see she'll come back in a second. Eva, I'm hungry.
I found the following listings for restaurants.
So she's basically come up with the restaurants there. To do that, I use the wake up phrase, which is her name, and then immediately put the command on it that I wanted on the end. So you can do that you can be anywhere in any application as long as you use that wake up phrase initially, and then the command after that, she'll go directly and do that command. If you want to just bring her forward, then you can just use her name. I'll show you this again. Open Gmail.
Opening Gmail.
Now if I want to go back, I'll just say her wake up phrase. Eva.
Yes, Peter.
What's the time?
It's 11:59 a.m.
Thank you.
It's my pleasure.
Okay, so you can see basically I haven't touched the phone, and I've done all these things already, back and forth, and just with very little interaction with actually having to touch the phone. Now I'm going to show you how to set all this up, because by default wake mode isn't turned on, but we have a lot of cool options, or at least I've got a bunch of cool options for when it will come on. Eva, display my settings.
Your settings are displayed. Tap on any setting to toggle through the available options.
You see when the speak bubble is blue, she needs the wake up phrase to start, and if it's green, you don't have to say the wake up phrase. So down here in the wake mode settings, you see my wake up phrase is just Eva, and you could change that to whatever you want. You could call it computer or Hal, or if you want to choose some other name, whatever you want to do, you can name it whatever you want. It's best to make it a word that the Google voice recognition picks up very easily for your voice. And then the next option there, I talked about that in the previous video, that's the extra wake functions. That's if you want to say specific commands to open a particular application without having to say the wake up phrase first, then you turn that on, and then you'll be able to say, you know, open Gmail like I'm doing. The let go phrase is if you want to have EVA just turn off wake mode briefly, and you can choose how long to have it come back on there. Enable at boot time, if you turn that on, then it'll automatically come on when you boot your phone. Enable when the screen is on, that means if your phone is asleep and wake mode is not on, and you basically hit the button on your phone to wake it up and turn the screen on, then EVA will come on in wake mode automatically. And if you have that set as a function, then the next one there, disable screen off, or disable after screen off more than, and you choose how many minutes you want. So basically when the screen goes off, EVA will keep listening for a set number of minutes there, and you can say, you can leave that for never, so it never basically turns off. But it's probably best if you're not using your phone for 5 or 10 minutes just to turn her off, and then she'll stop listening, and then again when you hit your phone and bring the screen back on, she'll be listening automatically. And then the last one there is enable when the power is connected. So if you plug in your charger or you put it in your dock, it'll automatically go into wake mode. And it's pretty smart about making sure you've got it in wake mode if it needs to be in wake mode or whatever. So anyway, that's basically how those new functions work. And like I said, anytime that speak bubble is blue, it means it's in wake mode, and if it's green, then it's just a normal command to do that. So anyway, it's just as easy as saying like I said it, and I'll just show you one more time here. EVA, open Facebook.
Starting Facebook.
And you see at the top there, she always says, I'm listening for EVA. And sometimes she'll come and then disappear, and then she'll be back again in a second listening. As long as you see the icon there, she's listening. So there she is again. Alright, I hope you enjoy this. Please take a look at the other videos I have on my YouTube channel, and obviously you can download this off the Android market. And hopefully it'll make your life easier, because you can just go from app to app to app without even having to bring EVA into the front. You don't even have to look at those ad banners on the free version. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks.